Leadership should come with passion and heart. The mark of a true leader is the eagerness to fulfill the role and go beyond the extra mile without being influenced by others. With a character of pure sincerity, an honest heart, and above all that, a fluent and active mind. As they say, you've gotta love it and live it if you're going to lead it. Ako nga po pala si Eliana Dinis D. Manalili, tumatakbo bilang secretary sa ilalim ng Kasama Ka Party List. Laging handa maglingkod at maging kaagapay mo sa maayos na pagkatuto. Vote straight! Vote for Kasama Ka Group. Ang kaibigan ng inyong sandigan. Ang laging maasahan at matatakbuhan. Kahit saan, kahit kailan, andito lang kami. Kasama ka. Again, don't forget guys, Manalili for Secretary.